Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing a backup and noting the app version. This preserves state if you need to revert. Next, identify the running process, PID, service name, and installation path so you know what to target. Once done, verify you have admin or app owner permissions and temporarily disable autosync and network access to prevent state changes. These steps let you act without surprise. Make sure you document each value and location before progressing to active intervention. Now stop the app's runtime. Use System Tools, SystemTool services, MSC Task Manager, and kill the PID if needed. Then revoke critical permissions and remove any startup entries so the app does not relaunch. After that, block incoming and outgoing network traffic for the app using host file edits or firewall rules. This prevents callbacks and syncs. While you work, keep logs of commands and changes, because this middle phase is where accidental persistence or data leakage most finish by uninstalling the app with the official uninstaller or package manager, and then manually remove leftover files, caches, and registry keys. Revoke API tokens and rotate any credentials that the app used, and clear cached sessions to prevent stale access. Once complete, verify the app no longer runs and test related services to ensure no cascading failures. If something goes wrong, restore from backup and review logs. That rollback plan is your safety net and should be ready before you start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.